farmers in Oriental Mindoro received various assistance from the Department of Science and Technology. Let's find out what they are in this report from Rod Lagusad.
To further help farmers benefit more from their hard-earned produce, the Department of Science and Technology is continuing to provide assistance to the agriculture sector in Oriental Mindoro in coordination with the provincial government. This includes a demo farm, which is being developed as an agripreneur incubator.
Gusto natin na yung mga magsasaka ng Oriental Mindoro maging negosyanteng magsasaka. Kinakailangan na mabigyan sila ng kumbaga ecosystem na kung saan lalago sila bilang mga negosyanteng magsasaka. So what we have here are facilities that can add value to their commodities.
Here there is an agri-processing facility to process their products. This includes rice, bananas, and calamansi, which are the primary products of the province. And now that the province is affected by El Nino,
it will give our farmers options to explore, no? Kagaya ng mga climate resilient technologies, kailangan yan natugon para maging, kumbaga, maka-adapt sila sa mga climate change phenomena kagaya ng El Nino, ganun din yung mga pagbaha at mga malalakas na bagyo.
Aside from this, there are alternative livelihoods provided like the processing of agricultural products. Also, apart from pre-usage of the facility, training is also being offered. With this, the UST is calling on everyone to coordinate with them.
Para amin silang matulungan, mabigyan namin sila ng kung hindi man agaran na tulong para masolusyonan yung kanilang mga problema, ay mabigyan namin sila ng kahit maliliit muna na steps or baby steps, and that would result doon sa mas bigger na interventions na aming bibigay sa kanila.
The Department of Agriculture and Department of Interior and Local Government are working with DOST for the implementation of the program. Rod Lagusad from the National TV for a New and Better Philippines.